Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will click on this sign and you will search about Truecaller and you will enter. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.